Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you the George Foreman Contact Submersible Grill. It measures 10 inches across by 11 inches and 4 inches in height. The cord length is 34 inches. The grill plates are non-stick coated. The actual cooking surface is 9 1/4 inches across by 6 3/4 inches. This grill is supposed to be 4 servings. I'll cook a few things for you and show you how much fits. The unit comes with a quick start guide and an instruction manual. There is a suggested cooking chart with the types of food and time it takes to cook. And there's one recipe for bacon-wrapped cheese stuffed burgers. It's a very simple grill to use. There's the top, bottom, and a drip tray. Make sure to always have it in the unit when you're cooking. It should collect all the fat that's dripping from whatever you're cooking. This is the removable probe. Put your thumbs on these two little plastic tabs and push it out. This part is of course what gets plugged in. Always remove this before you clean the grill. This can be wiped down. After you remove the probe, just lift the top off. Remove the drip tray. The top, bottom, and the drip tray are dishwasher safe. The drip tray has to go on the top rack of your dishwasher. That's really convenient because most grills are not dishwasher safe. Once it's clean and dry, just put the top on. Put the drip tray in and the probe. These are the power indicator lights. Plug in the unit and the red light will come on. It'll take about 4.5 minutes to heat up, and then you'll see a green light. If you want to get this grill, click on the link right below this video. First, I'll make burgers wrapped in bacon. This is a 1/4 pound of ground turkey. The green light just turned on. That took 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Use whatever meat you like. Just took 1 piece of bacon and wrapped the turkey in it. Green light means it's heated up and it's ready to grill. Cover the grill. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. The light's red again, so it'll cycle on and off during cooking. The lid is hot. You can touch it, but you can use oven mitts to be on the safe side. This is after 8 minutes. The burger should be 165 degrees. Just going to check the temperature. 163, 162. Oh, 178. So this is definitely done. This one, I'll just check again. 168. Okay. You can see this one is a tiny bit bigger than this one. So try to make your burgers around the same size and the same thickness so they cook evenly. So 8 minutes for turkey burgers wrapped in bacon is good. I'll unplug the unit. Make sure to use non-stick utensils. You don't want to scratch the coating. It's not dry, it's juicy, it's a very tasty burger. This is my juicy turkey burger recipe from my Anita Cooks channel. If you want to give it a try, I'll put the link below this video. So you could fit 2 1/4 pound burgers on this grill. If your burgers are a little bit smaller, you could put a 3rd one in the middle. Now I'm going to make marinated grilled chicken breasts. The grill's heated up. You can fit 2 breasts on here. And these are very big, probably about 7 ounces each. The suggested cooking time for chicken breasts are 9 to 13 minutes, but since the turkey burgers were done very quickly, I'll check these in about 8 minutes. So this is what it looks like after 8 minutes. These chicken breasts are very big. They're really fat on one side and a little bit thinner on the other side. So you're not going to get even grill marks if the chicken is not the same thickness all the way through. This is at 145. So we'll cook it for a few more minutes. Halfway through cooking, you can turn the chicken a 1/4 turn to get the crosshatch grill marks. I'm just going to turn this that's facing this side so you can get some grill marks over here. Cooked it for another 2 minutes, 165. It's time to take them off. I'll let it cool for a few minutes, then cut into it. It's cooked. Even though it looks almost burnt on top, it's really good. Chicken's very juicy. I'll cut the other one. Oh no, my plate cracked. And that's perfectly cooked too. Even with these really thick breasts, it took less than 10 minutes. So I've sliced the chicken and I'm going to serve it with my watermelon feta salad. If you want the recipe, it's on my Anita Cooks channel, and I'll put a link right below this video. Next, I'll make grilled cheese sandwiches. This is plain white loaf bread. I'm going to butter one side of each slice. A couple of slices of cheese. Sliced tomato, more cheese. It's been 2.5 minutes. I'm going to check it. You can see the cheese is melted and oozing out. 2 minutes would be perfect. It's extremely hot. That looks really good. That's a really cheesy grilled cheese sandwich. And it's all oozing out because I put a lot of cheese in there. So 2 minutes is perfect for grilled cheese sandwiches. If you cook it anymore, the bread will get too brown. The bread's nice and crispy. You saw the cheese is melted completely. It's a perfect grilled cheese sandwich. I just wiped the grill down with some paper towels. Now I'll make hot dogs. You can fit 6 hot dogs. If you want to put 2 on the side, you can fit 8. Or 8 like this. This is after 4.5 minutes. It's 144 degrees in the back, 143. Almost done. About 150 to 160 is a good internal temperature for hot dogs. It took about 6 minutes for these hot dogs. It is hot in the middle. If you're going to grill bratwurst or similar bigger sausages, it's going to take about 12 to 15 minutes. To clean, wait for the grill to cool. Pour out whatever's collected in the drip tray. Remove the probe and wipe it down. Just lift up to get the top off. I'll put the top, bottom, and drip tray in the dishwasher. Of course, you can wash this by hand, use a soft sponge and some dishwashing liquid. If you have a lot of stuff stuck on, it's best to wipe it down with a paper towel while the unit is still a little bit warm. You can see it comes right off. I just wiped the grease off the drip tray. And I'm going to put it on the top rack of my dishwasher. I'm going to put the grill on the bottom rack. The bottom is thick, so you might have to do a little rearranging in your dishwasher, but it will fit. When you open your dishwasher, especially when it's hot, it's going to smell pretty bad. And that's the effect of the heat of the dishwasher on the plastic parts of the grill. It is perfectly clean though. There's going to be some white spots here. I don't know if it's from the soap or just the hard water. The top's also clean. And the drip tray is clean. So although all the parts are clean. I just didn't like the smell, so I think I'm just going to hand wash it from now on. You're not going to have any smell if you hand wash. And hand washing is easy. Since the grill is non-stick, you can wipe off any of the remaining bits with a paper towel and wash with mild detergent and a soft sponge. If you don't have hard water and if you don't mind the smell, the dishwasher is perfectly fine. For storage, you can stand it up like this so you save some space on your counter. The cord can be wrapped around the bottom. So you saw how the grill works on the turkey burgers, marinated chicken breasts, grilled cheese sandwiches, and hot dogs. It's advertised as 4 serving. 4 servings would be for hot dogs or sausages. You can make 2 quarter-pound burgers, 3 if they're a little bit smaller. Chicken breasts, you saw that I could fit 2 very big chicken breasts on there. So if they're smaller, you could fit 3. And sandwiches on 2 plain old white bread or honey wheat sandwich bread or any kind of bagged sandwich bread. So if you're making dinner, it's good for 2 people. Cleanup is easy in the dishwasher. Again, if you don't mind the plasticky smell. The drip tray collects all the grease. Easy to dump out and wash. If you want to get this grill, click on the link right below this video. As always, I hope you guys liked this review and found it useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.